Looking for a great hosting solution? Check our website for prices. First, what you need to do is to update the server packages. You can do this by the following command. To install Insomnia, first of all you need to install the snap on your system. Run the following command to install the snap. Once snap is installed, run the following snap command to install the Insomnia on your server. After that, you need to wait for the installation complete. Once installation is complete, you can go to your graphical shell and adjust Insomnia. That's it. If you have any question, please leave them in comments.